Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Hostinger account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access your web hosting services. Step 1. Visit Hostinger.com and click on Log in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your email address and password to access your Hostinger account. If you enabled two-factor authentication, enter the verification code from your Authenticator app. Step 3. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. Look for any verification notifications or alerts. Step 4. Check for an email verification prompt. Hostinger requires all accounts to have a verified email address for security and communication purposes. Step 5. If your email is not verified, click on Resend Verification Email from the notification banner or account settings. Step 6. Open your email inbox and look for a verification message from Hostinger with a subject line like Verify your Hostinger email address. Step 7. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to Hostinger and automatically verify your email address. Step 8. For certain services or after making a purchase, Hostinger may require additional identity verification. Navigate to Settings or Account Settings in your dashboard. Step 9. If prompted for payment verification, you may need to provide additional payment method details or upload a photo of your credit card showing the last 4 digits and your name. Step 10. Some accounts may require phone verification. If prompted, add your phone number and enter the verification code sent via SMS. Step 11. For domain registration or transfers, Hostinger may require Hoist contact verification. Check your email for verification requests from your domain registrar. Step 12. Once all verification steps are complete, you'll have full access to your hosting services, domain management, and Hostinger features without any restrictions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.